you guys, I'm here with my mom today, my special guest. Are we saying how old you are? She's 70 something. Is that okay? All right. And today we're going to do a makeover. So I have already exfoliated. I've not shown you guys this. This is by The Ordinary. It's pretty popular. You can get it on Amazon. It's like between $10 and $20. Not expensive at all. And then I came in with my famous, which she said she already uses at home, the Neutrogena Hydroboost. And I'd like to do it under eyes. You've seen me do this before, because when I put on concealer, then you don't get the creases and cracks as much, you know. And then we came in with some facial moisturizer. This is the Tinted Sunscreen. This is the Cetaphil. I've used it before, and I will link everything that I'm showing you below. And now we're gonna do makeup. So I'm not gonna talk until the end, and you're just gonna watch me do everything, and then I'll narrate it later, but let's get started. Okay guys, the first product I'm using is the Il Makiage Primer. This primer is really good if you have large pores or texture, and I use it when I'm really wanting a good makeup look. So I'm just putting it all over my mom's beautiful face and concentrating on the parts where I know that she needs some of the pores filled in, and like I said, the texture. Okay, so now I'm applying the Il Makiage foundation as well. I decided to use my little higher end products on my mom because this was the first time I had ever done her makeup. So I'm just putting it all over in the usual spots. And then I just came in with my beauty sponge and made sure that I blended it all in really, really well. And here I'm just showing you that I was using the Il Makiage. And now I'm coming in again with the Il Makiage concealer. And this one is a great one. Again, I have the trio of these, and I thought I'd use them on my mom. Like I said, it's the first time I've done her makeup, so I wanted to use all of my higher end stuff. Not that there's anything wrong with drugstore makeup, because I will come in, and I think for the remainder of her face, I do wind up using most of my drugstore product. So now just my usual blending in the concealer. You know, I like to go under the eye as well as on that upper eyelid so that it is a good sort of primer for the eyeshadow, which I will probably be applying next. Actually, I think I'm about to come in. Yep, I'm about to do those eyebrows. I could not wait to frame my mom's face using this $2 e.l.f. brow pencil that I've shown you a bunch of times in the color Deep Brown. My mom had pretty thin brows, so I had to create a front part to the brow, and she already had the arch there, but I created a little longer of a tail and kind of made them a little thicker and more pronounced. So now here I am going to come in with the very light, almost a nude shade of eyeshadow over her entire lid. And that's what I do after I apply concealer, just so that I could matte down the whole lid. It's not tacky, and it will take eyeshadow just a little bit better. So I'm making sure to cover both lids really well. And it kind of brightened up her face. And look at those brows. Her whole face looks different already. And I'm coming in with this palette in that pretty sort of plum foily gray color. I usually use nudes on myself, but my mom really preferred that gray and plum color, so I decided to go ahead and work with that. So there I am, just checking out my work. It's totally different doing someone else's makeup. My mom and I have completely different upper eyelids, though we do look very, very much alike, and you'll see at the end of this video how much we really look alike after I have completed her beautiful makeover. You can see my mom's starting to like her look, and I'm just adding a little L'Oreal concealer on the sides there to give her that lift and clean up the eyeshadow, and I'm just adding a little to the bridge of her nose. And now I'm going to come in and set it all with my Coty powder that you know I love to use. and make sure that her look lasts her. My mom does have a little more of an oily skin, which I think is why she looks so youthful for her age, even though we're not going to say what her age is. And then going in and just giving it a full spritz with that setting spray, and my mom really loved that fan, and who wouldn't? And next is bronzer time. I'm coming in with that Nomad palette that I've had from Ipsy, and I am just going in and doing a little contouring her jawline, her forehead, her cheeks. And now I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna contour that nose using that smaller bronzing brush. And now that we've contoured, I'm gonna come in with my Wet n Wild Awesome Highlight and give my mom that sparkle and glow that we all love. And coming in with that beautiful Milani blush. And again, I will list below all of the products that I used on my mom today. And just coming in with a brush that was completely clean and blending everything. And now I'm cutting up the sides with that Coty powder. I absolutely love doing that. And I got a little powder on her shirt and I'm dusting her off there. And here I come with the Maybelline mascara, and we're just putting a little bit on there because I am going to put lashes on her. So the reason I put mascara on anyway is because it does create a little shelf for the false lashes to sit on nicely. So next up is some eyeliner. I'm gonna try and give my mom a little tiny wing in the corner and then go straight across the upper lid. Now my mom looks fantastic without any lower lid liner, so she will not be getting her waterline lined like her daughter does constantly, but I really don't think that she needs it. And now I'm getting ready to go ahead and put those magnetic lashes on. I have already applied the magnetic liner, and I am going in now very carefully and applying the lashes. So we both get a really good look, and you can see how excited both of us are after I get just that one lash on. This was so much fun, I cannot even tell you. I had been dying to make over my mom because I know how beautiful she is. So just finished putting the second one on, and there is our big reveal. A little bit of tweaking, but whoa, were we super, super excited. Almost done. So next I come in with one of my eyeshadow palettes. I was using the very darkest black shadow and an angled brush just to add a little bit to I did put a little in the lower lash corner to sort of define the corners there. No eyeliner underneath, but a little bit of that black shadow I think helped open up her eyes and group all of the eyeliner, lashes, and eye look and kind of bring it all together. So we're almost done, and the two of us are kind of sizing it up, and I can tell my mom's happy with it. Now she does wear glasses, so she couldn't see too much just in the camera, but in there I am cleaning it up with the powder and making sure everything is perfect. So next is just filling in her lips. I had already lined them, and we're giggling about something, but she's really enjoying her look. So next up is my mom's hair. My mom has thin hair, so what I did was I took some dry shampoo that I had and I sprayed it all over her hair in sections, and that really gave it body without weighing it down. And to finish my mom's look, you know I have to get my curling iron out, and she was super hesitant, telling me she does not like her hair curly, but I assured her that it's not going to be curly, it's going to be beachy and wavy. And so she said okay, and she let me go in and curl her hair. All right, you guys, this is the big reveal. Look how beautiful my mom is. And we look like twins now for sure, because I made her lips big like you've seen me do with the overlining. She's not sure about that, but too bad.
Yeah.
And she looks absolutely beautiful. I even did her hair. I curled it back like you've seen me do in my hair tutorials. What do you think?
I love it. I think I look great.
Yay!
Yeah.
All right, you guys, thanks for joining us. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and hit that bell for notifications so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. Okay. And I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.